Incidentally, what do you call your father's sister? Amma?
Yes.
Amma? Can you eat your father's sister? No? No, you can. According to Rasulullah Sallam, this is father's sister. Yeah? Waiting for you to be eaten. You understand the point? Rasulullah Sallam has said, this khujur is amma mu'mineen. Now you know what I mean? Yes? What are the words? I don't remember, but this is what Rasulullah Sallam said about this date. Because this date was so kind for mu'mineen. It's made a perfect diet for the mu'mineen. And I also, they take dates regularly nowadays. And I'll take one now. Keep the stones with you. I'll throw it when I go out. Keep the stones covered like I have covered it.
يعلق هذا